Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today we are reviewing a touch wireless digital doorbell. I'll put a link in the video description where you can get this if you are interested. So this is what it looks like. This comes with a set of two. So you would put this in your wall outlet, and when someone presses the doorbell, this would light up and this will sound a different sound. So here you got the, oh, this is actually a really nice doorbell. Look at that. I'm actually impressed with it. It's a nice size. Very nice. So they supply you with the tools needed and the double backing tape and a nice little manual. Go ahead and pull this off here so you can get a good look at it. So you take the flathead they provide and you just pop this up. Pop that out. And you can see they have the battery here. You just go ahead and pull this off and the battery will now start working. And go ahead, pop this back in the same way, just like that. Let's go ahead and plug these in and give them a good test. So for this, you would go ahead, turn it like that, stick the double-sided tape in the center, apply firm pressure, kind of go around it, and then what you do is you peel off the other side. If it's hard to peel off, go ahead and use the little flat driver they give you. And now you're good to go to mount it. So you can mount this on any almost any surface. So let's go ahead and do that. So we will go ahead and place one upstairs, as you can see right here. And this is the doorbell. So if they would press it, so there's a lot of things that you can change with this. Increase the volume, and you can decrease it. No way. Okay, it's official. This is my all-time favorite doorbell because check this out. You can change the sound of the doorbell and it stays. Other wireless doorbells, you actually have to waste time and program the other sounds. But this one, you just simply press this. Okay. Once you press it and you let it go through its thing, now it saved it. I absolutely love this. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Sorry guys, I'm a bit speechless because I've reviewed probably 15 of these over the course of a couple years, and this is the first one that actually saves the sound after you press it. Normally you gotta take them apart and you gotta mess with the settings, and this is so simple. Okay, this is getting a 10 out of 10, which is a 5-star rating from me. Scott score, 5-star rating. For style, it gets a 5. For customizability, it gets a 5. For performance, it gets a 5. I absolutely love this. So, someone comes up to the door. Five-star rating from me. Links in the video description if you're interested. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best, and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.